Welcome to the live demonstration of our Kafka order processing system with Avro serialization. I will show you a complete real-time data processing pipeline that meets all the assignment requirements. First, let me show you our project structure and setup. Here, you can see our core components, which are Docker Compose file, order AVC file, producer file, consumer file, and DLP consumer file. You can see our Kafka and Zookeeper running our Docker components. This is our schema, defining order message structure with three fields which are order ID, product, and price. Now let's start the three terminals. In first terminal, we will start the producer. The producer has started generating order messages in every 3 seconds using arrow serialization. In the second terminal, we start consumer. The consumer is now running and ready to process orders with real-time aggregation and retry logic. In third and final terminal, we start DLP consumer. Now you can notice the producer output shows the orders being serialized and using Avro. Each message is converted to compact Avro binary format before sending to Kafka. Now, watch the consumer calculator running average in real time. As orders are processed, we maintain running averages for each product category. Now up to our retry logic handling is temperature failure. After 3 failed attempts, message go to our date letter queue. Let's check our DLQ monitor to see the failed messages, and you can see it monitor the failed messages. Finally, in this project, producer create orders using Avro serialization and Kafka topics. The consumer deserializations the Avro and processes orders and calculates the averages. Also handles retries. In date letter queue, captures permanent failures for manual review. In conclusion, we have successfully built a robust Kafka-based order processing system that demonstrates which is enterprise-grade message serialization with Avro, real-time data analysis with continuous aggregation, production-ready error handling with retry logic and DLQ, and also the containerized deployment for scalability. Thank you for watching.